Twinkle time.
Hey kids! Want to get more done, have more fun, and feel super proud of yourself? In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 ways to manage your time like a pro. By the end, you'll know how to finish your homework faster, play without worries, and still have time for everything you love. Let's get started. Tip number 1, make a daily schedule. Writing down what you need to do each day helps you see your tasks clearly. You can use colors, stickers, or a fun planner. This way, you won't forget anything and can plan time for homework, play, and rest. Tip 2, set small goals. Instead of trying to finish everything at once, break big tasks into smaller steps. For example, if you have a big project, do a little bit each day. It makes it easier and way less stressful. Tip 3, use a timer. Set a timer for your homework or study time, then take short breaks when it rings. It's like a game. You focus, beat the clock, and give your brain a quick rest. It makes studying more fun. And if you're enjoying these tips so far, don't forget to click the like button. It helps us make more fun videos just for you. Tip 4, prioritize the most important tasks first. Do the things that are due soon, or really matter first, and leave the smaller stuff for later. This way, you finish what's most important and don't feel rushed. Tip 5, track your progress. Check off tasks as you complete them. You'll feel proud of yourself and see how much you've accomplished. It's like earning points every time you finish something. So those were the top 5 ways to manage your time. Remember, when you manage your time, you'll feel proud and have more time for fun too. Try these tips today and watch how amazing you can be. And hey, if you loved this video, subscribe to our channel for more cool tips to become a super smart kid.